Okay, well, today we're gonna change this intake grate. It's gonna be easy. It's just 2 bolts over there and hook it up here. I have 2 options for it, and we're gonna make sure it works. And I'm doing this video because I haven't seen anybody really showing this bottom and how it changed. They show the grate and they say what it does, but they don't really tell us how this goes, so I'm gonna figure it out myself. So this is a very cheap SeaDoo that I got in working condition. It was fun, it rides fun, but it sucks a lot of air because it's like a little one. It's a GSX 1997, and I've been told that this is the main thing to change to make it run a little better, so that's what we're gonna do. It should be just those 2 bolts and this hook up here. That's all it is now. Okay, these are 2 options I have. One is a Worx. It's a beautiful piece. It has 1, 2, 3, and it would allow the water to come in. It goes up there. It's the WR208. Okay, but this one I liked it a lot, but it's expensive, and I'm going to return this one because the plate here is probably great if you're racing or if you really need it to be more delicate, but I went and I got the Solas one that is a little more bulky, and this is the one that we're going to install. And the reason I'm installing this one is because of this. It has a big plate, and that's what we're looking to have to get a little bit more water sucked in without having so much air and what they talk about, the cavitation that these little SeaDoos do. So this is a Solas GTX IGB. I believe it's gonna work great with the GSX that I have. I have a GSX. It's a standard. It's a 787. I believe it's 110 horses. So it's a 1997. It's not the special motor with the 951. So hopefully it's gonna make a little bit of a difference with this. And we're gonna go ahead and install it. Let's see. So this is it. This is part. This one going back to the store. If you see the difference on the plate right there, that's the reason I'm gonna keep this one in this particular case.